In this video, we are going to calculate the area of 2D shapes. Here we have an irregular 2D shape. We can see it has length and width. We have 10 meters in width and 5 meters in length along the left side. And along the top, we have 5 meters, and then 4 meters. So how do we calculate the area or the covering, the surface covering of this shape? Let's have a look and see and explore some different examples. Okay, so here is solution one. Here is how we could calculate the area of this shape. Well, we could divide the shape into half. We could have area A and area B. So area A has a length of 5 times 5, has a length and a width of 5 times 5. So we know that area A is 25 meters squared. 5 times 5 is 25 meters squared. That's how much covering is in area A. In area B, we can see that we have an area of 5 times 4, 4 meters times 5 meters equals 20 meters squared. If we add the two areas together, we can see 25 plus 20 equals 45 meters squared. So we know that this shape has an area of 45 meters squared because we're talking about the covering, we're talking about the surface and the covering, so it's meters squared. Another way we could divide our shape is into areas A and B again. We can see the top area is 1 meter by 5 meters, which equals 5 meters squared because 1 times 5 equals 5 meters squared. And then the bottom area, area B, is 4 meters by 10 meters. So 4 times 10 is 40 meters squared. If we add those two products together, we can see that 5 plus 40 equals 45 meters squared. Another way we could solve this problem is we could think about what's missing. We could think about, okay, well, we know that area B is actually missing from this shape, so we could add that area in. So we could say 5 times 1 is 5, so there's 5 meters squared missing. If we started by thinking of the shape as a rectangle, we could say 5 times 10 is 50. So in total, there's 50 meters squared. And then we could take away what we've added in. So 50 take away 5 equals 45 meters squared. Take a second to pause the video and see what we've done with this shape. We've added something in to make it easier to form the calculation. So we've decided that we want to work with a shape that's a rectangle. So we've said 5 rows and 10 in each. 5 times 10 is 50. And then we've taken out what we've added in, so we're taking out 5 meters squared, so we know that there is 45 meters squared in our shape. That's how much area is taken up by our shape. Pause this video and go back and reflect on how we calculate area using formal units of measure. Or you could talk to someone, talk to a parent and go through this video again. Talk to a partner and talk through this video again and think about how area is calculated.